Hi, this is Varlakshmi, studying in BCA final year in Maharani Science College for Women's, Mysuru. The topic is collection and transmission of big data. Introduction of big data, meaning, example, characteristics, applications, general steps of big data, transmission of big data. What is big data? Big data refers to data that is so large, fast or complex that it is difficult or impossible to process using traditional methods. The act of accessing and storing large amount of information for analytics has been around a long time. Big data used large companies who have stored lot of information, not in small companies because the storage is also a small. Keywords of big data, networking big data, transmission. Example of big data, hug in a size exponentially with time. Characteristics of big data, 3 types, variety, velocity, volume. Applications of big data, healthcare, academic, bank, transportation. We'll introducing the general steps to collection of big data. There are the 5 steps. First one is gather data, store data, clean up data, reorganize data. The last one is verify data. The first step is gather data. There are many ways to gather data according to different purposes. For an example, you can buy data from data service companies or use a data collection tools to gather data from websites. Steps 2. Store data. After gathering the big data, you can put the data into databases or storage services for further processing. Usually, these steps requires investment in the physical foundation as well as cloud services. Some data collection tools provide unlimited cloud storage after data is gathered, which greatly saves local resources and makes data easily to access from anywhere. The third step is clean up data. Since there may be noisy information you did not need, you need to pick up the one that meets your needs. This step is sort the data, including cleanup, concatenating and merging the data. The fourth step is reorganize data. You need to reorganize data after cleaning it up for further use. Usually, you need to turn the unstructured or semi-unstructured format like Hadoop and HDFS. The last step is verify data. To make sure the data you get is right and makes sense, you need to verify the data. Choose some sample to see whatever it works. Make sure that you are in the right direction so you can apply these techniques to your sourcing. Transmission of big data, meaning most big data will be transmitted over the air. In fact, smart mobile devices contribute significantly to the generation of big data. The ever-growing Internet of Things, IoT means Internet of Things, devices service as another source of big data for wireless transmission. There are two methods used to transmit the data. First one is serial transmission, second one is parallel transmission. The first one is serial transmission. Send data bits one after another over a single channel. Parallel data transmission. Send multiple data bits at the same time over a multiple channel. Data collection, data transmission, data sharing. In this picture, the relation between the data collection, transmission, storage, use and sharing in the medical big data cycle. Context in source publication. The production, collection, transmission, storage, use and discretion of urban medical big data. There are different securities and privacy leakage threats in each link. After consulting the medical industries and information securities related professional and analyzing a large number of domestic and foreign reference, it is finds that the medical big data industry security issues are most prominent in four stages of data collection, data transmission, data storage, data usage and sharing. References: